Sydney Cockatoo. Hi, everybody. He likes the spotlight. This is Sydney Cockatoo. He really likes the spotlight. Yes, he does. Oh, I love you, Andrew. He's very handsome. It's my handsome. It's a little scary. Like, I think he might break him or bite my ear off or something. I don't know. Or worse. I don't know. He's sweet, though. He's my handsome. But, I don't know what's going on. It's psychology. People who know, they know. They know. I mean, people who work with birds know that this is probably not right. Something I'm doing is not right. Probably regret it later. Hi. Hi, everybody. Well, no, Sydney asked to be on my shoulder. He was very sweet about it. He crawled up my arm. He in a very sweet way. It's when they fly onto your shoulder and sort of dominate you that you're not supposed to. But Sydney's very handsome. He's my big boy, and he's very sweet, and he was very polite. Yes, he's on my shoulder by he did it very gently, and he's my big boy. And well, Cuckoo Bear on the other hand, well, he got on sweet and gentle this morning too. Yeah, and there's Cuckoo Berry. There's Cuckoo Berry. Over there feeling a little left out. And Baby Joe too. Videotape. Look at, there's Cuckoo Berry. Hi, Cuckoo Berry. You want to step up? He's trying to step up. Come here. There you go. Do you want to go over there? Wants to go over there. Oh. Oh. Is everything okay? What happened? You guys gonna go outside? Yeah? Okay. See ya. Have a good day.